Introducing the P4 Roll-On Load Leveler with Turntable from Presto. With operator-controlled lifting and lowering and hand pallet jack accessibility, the P4 with Turntable increases productivity and improves worker safety in manual pallet loading and unloading operations. The P4 with Turntable has an internal power unit and comes pre-wired with a cord and plug for 115-volt power. A convenient foot switch control lets users position loads at the most comfortable height for loading and unloading. The built-in turntable platform allows users to rotate loads with minimal effort thanks to a series of anti-friction bearings. Here, a worker uses the P4 with Turntable to unload boxes from a full pallet to a conveyor. Because she can easily rotate the load, she can remain in the same spot. This makes her more productive and reduces her risk of injury. With the top layer of boxes unloaded, she raises the platform for easy access to the second layer, and then repeats the process for access to the third layer. Photo sensors on the side and the front of the P4 with Turntable stop the platform from lowering when obstructed by a worker's foot or anything else. Another sensor stops the platform from lowering to floor level unless the turntable is rotated to the home position, as shown here. Hand pallet truck accessibility means any worker can load or unload the P4. It's the perfect load leveler for facilities without forklifts or where access to forklifts is limited. So if your employees load and unload pallets manually, get them a P4 roll-on load leveler with Turntable for increased productivity and improved safety.